Turn on Christmas tree.
Okay.
All right, full disclosure, it is not Christmas yet, but this is a Christmas episode, so Jillian's gonna open a gift. Yeah, that's my quick wrapping job, because I wasn't prepared for this, but you can use foil to wrap gifts.
I see something in there.
Is there something in there?
Yeah. What's this? Got it. What is it? A tape measure?
It is
My own tape measure?
your own tape measure.
But, oh. Has numbers on it.
Now, we've discussed this before, but Jillian, let's say it again on camera. What do you have to do with tape measures?
What? Be careful.
Yes, be careful, because what can happen?
What?
Well, first of all, you almost hit yourself in the eye just then. Kids, always use a tape measure with your grown-ups. Grown-ups, depending on your child, a better option may be what is called a sewing or body tape measure, which is a cloth tape measure. And they can be sold as a long strip you just fold up, or in a retractable design, but one that retracts less forcefully. You remember, you always want to hold the end when you release it.
This end?
You want to hold the end so that it doesn't snap in.
This end?
All right, you're holding the end?
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Here.
now you can unlock it.
Can you?
It'll just take some practice.
Unlock that.
Do you see a red number near the 4? On the same side? Yeah, what number is that?
30.
Yeah.
34.
Yeah, because there's the 30, and then there's the 4.
34. 34. So, 34
No.
inches.
The other side is inches. The 34 is centimeters. The other side is inches.
I don't know what it is. I'm already loving this. I thought this was longer. Is this longer?
That's as far as it goes.
Here goes Marshall. Step back. The star's on fire.
You're Marshall shooting water from your. Can you? Oh, no, stop! Not that far.
We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays from Shawn and Jillian Build. Is that like a Christmas cheer?
Ah! No. Give me the camera. I want a video, right? Can I video a little bit?
Of course.
Hi guys, hi. Dada, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
So, I opened my present.